24 easy and attainable organizing ideas for 2024. Holiday card edition. What exactly are you supposed to do with all the holiday cards you received? This is me giving you permission to throw them out. It's important to look behind the intention of these cards. Someone sent it to you to wish you well for the holidays, to say hello, to update you on their lives, and that is done. It's okay to let it go now. If you're really sentimental and you want to save all these and put them in a box and look back on them one day and go through all those memories, that's okay too. You have to do what works for you. If you're somewhere in the middle of keep them forever and recycle them right away, I have a little hack for you. I really like using these as someone's contact picture on the phone. Let me show you. Head on over to your contacts and pick the person who sent you the card and then click edit on the top right over there. Click add photo right in the middle of the screen and then take a picture or use one from your camera roll. I'm just going to use a picture I have on my wall and I've shared in the past because I don't want to share my friends on the internet without permission. So just center it how you want and take the picture and there you go. You can adjust if you want and there's like filters you can add afterwards and then you just click done and you're all done. Now every time they call or text, you'll have that little picture pop up for them. How cute. I hope that helps you either use them or let them go. Let me know what you do with your holiday cards in the comments and follow along to keep getting organized with me.